Hey everyone! If you've ever tried logging into your Hotmail or Outlook account and got stuck with the frustrating message, "Help us confirm you own this account," don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this in just a few simple steps so you can regain access to your account quickly and safely. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. You can type the URL directly or just search for Outlook login. Once you're there, sign in with your usual credentials. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, navigate to the Microsoft account homepage. You can either click the direct link or search for it in your browser. Once you're on the Microsoft account homepage, go to Your Info and then select Sign In Preferences. This is where Microsoft manages your account verification settings. On the Sign In Preferences screen, choose Phone Number. Here, you can add a new phone number or update your existing one. You can also add a recovery email if you haven't done so already. Make sure the information you enter is current and correct because this is how Microsoft confirms your account ownership. After updating your phone number and recovery options, review the changes carefully. Once everything looks good, save the update and exit. That's it. The next time you try to sign in, Microsoft will recognize your account and the annoying verification prompt should disappear. And that's all it takes to fix the "Help us confirm you own this account" issue on Hotmail. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.